Here we go, another one of them little itty bitty trucks for out on the field. Ooh, I like that one. That's a nice one. Yep. We are gonna go up to over here. No, thank you.
You have a wonderful weekend.
You too. And here's some more of them little cars. Planet Power Sports. And here's some more bikes.
Sorry?
Oh, you're good. Kawasaki. What's the Kawasaki bikes? We have many different styles, again, just like the others. And here's some more little cars. There's some racing bikes right there.
Just take them home, you won't have to videotape.